Hi guys, here is another example of using your Inspire app in order to solve a compound interest problem. Okay, you would like to buy a car costing $23,000 in 2 years' time. Your bank account pays 5% PA, that's per annum, compounded half yearly. How much do you need to deposit now in order to be able to buy your car in 2 years? So let's go through and figure out what information we have to begin with. So we actually don't have our present value. Present value is our question because that's how much we need to know how to save starting now. Our final value or future value is going to be $23,000 because that's what we want to pay for the car. Our bank account is going to pay us 5%, so our interest is 5%. And it's compounded half yearly, so that's going to be 2 times a year. So K is equal to 2. And N, in this case, is also 2 because we want to be able to buy the car in 2 years. So we will go to our CAS, hit Menu, and choose number 8 for Finance, and then go to the Finance Solver, which is number 1. Our old information is in here, so we're going to go ahead and clear that out. Okay, here's where we need to be careful. When we're using the finance app for a compound interest problem, we need to make sure that the N that we plug in, that big capital N, is actually K times N. Because remember, that's an N. Remember that our equation is FV equals PV 1 plus R over 100K to the KN. So this is the same as N on our app. So we need to multiply those together. Okay, so what would KN be? KN would be 4. So we can go ahead and put 4 there. Our interest rate is 5. Our present value, we don't know. So we just put 0 for now. Our payment is 0 because we're not interested in that. Our future value is going to be $23,000. Our payments per year and compounds per year, those are going to be the same. And in this case, they're both 2 because it was compounded half yearly, so that means twice a year. And the payment at the end stays the same. All right, so now we go back and put our cursor back on the thing that we want to solve. So we want to solve the present value, so we put our cursor back there, and we press enter to calculate. Notice we get a negative number. I told you guys that before, that if I didn't put in, like if you put in a negative present value, you get a positive future value. The same thing works forwards and backwards. So our present value needs to be $20,836.86. And that's it. That's how you solve that problem.